Okay, so we just on our way to the greenhouse.
All these kitchen waste will come here.
Oh, this is a place where all the kitchen waste is collected. Okay.
So the water will get collected here.
Mm-hmm.
It'll again move to this section.
Okay.
So everywhere, whenever we clean all these jungles, all the leaves will come here.
Okay.
It'll just decompose in that.
Mm-hmm.
These things are not even to
How big this property would be in acres? Huh?
3 acres.
3 acres. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a house and the office. Wait, what happened?
There's a bee.
Oh, did it bit you? Oh yeah. Oh, there's a lot of bees here. I think yeah. You better escape. Did it bite you?
Small.
I think because of the socks, it would have been a little less impact. Oh, this is like almost a three storage structure, right? It's a 3-storied structure,
Yeah.
all made out of bamboos. आपका नाम क्या है?
चेतन शर्मा.
चेतन शर्मा जी. अच्छा ठीक है.
Let's go.
Let's आता हूँ मैं. ये है आपका ट्रेनिंग सेंटर. इसको हाउ डू यू प्रोनाउंस दिस? Shithogi Living School. What does Shithogi mean?
Shithogi is the name of this location. Shitho means hardwood.
Oh, so Shito is the name of the location. Shito means what?
Shitho means hardwood.
Hardwood.
Yeah, where the place where hardwood is available, good quality wood.
Oh, okay. So Shito means hard, good quality wood. Okay. So this is your school building.
This is going to be my farmer's hall.
Farmer's Hall.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when it rains, all the water will come down here.
Okay.
So it really doesn't chill, right? Kita kiki pakai rakaman na, Allah mari. So when storm comes, You come in here,
Mm-hmm.
you go to this place, you splash the cow dung,
Mm.
and urine will come and collect here.
These are Jersey cows.
Mm.
Okay.
So it'll come collect and then it'll wash it down.
Okay.
Here we have some tilapia.
Mm.
These are all bamboo from different places.
Are there the native cows which like probably Nagas have been herding for?
Native cows, but
Okay.
these are all different species of bamboo.
Okay.
Nagaland, from China, from different sources.
Oh, you got bamboos from China also?
China, Indonesia,
Indonesia. Okay.
Japan.
Oh, so you're experimenting with different varieties of bamboos for different purpose.
Yeah,
So even when you build a house of bamboos,
yeah.
for every part of the house you'll use a different kind of bamboo.
Yeah, about 3 different types of bamboo.
3 different types. So for the basic skeleton it'll be different.
Yeah,
Maybe for the roof it'll be different.
yeah.
Okay.
For the main structure will be different.
Okay.
For the secondary structure will be different.
Mm-hmm.
So see, this is the chickmeat chili. We have groom meat and then now pieces.
Right.
And now we have to dress it. Once
Right.
the dry season starts.
So these are the thermocol boxes that you're talking about.
Yeah, yeah.
So where this will insulate.
This will insulate.
Hmm.
Then
So even if it is a very tropical kind of
But-
climate.
Yeah, if it's a very tropical type of climate also. This is much better in a kind of a very hot climate, no?
Mm-hmm.
So it will also help to retain the moisture, and at the same time it will control the heat. It also, in places where there can be heavy rains, because now it is raised, it will prevent the roots from rotting.
Mm.
It's got a lot of multiple, and it also saves you from weeding, you know.
Achha, you don't have weeds growing in this.
It becomes minimal.
Okay.
So weeds can be growing at the side, but it's more manageable. Otherwise, your weeds will overrun all your garden.
Right. There in front, what we see is Kohima, is it?
Yeah, that's Kohima. It's covered by the cloud for the time being.
Mm-hmm. So that place Laril,
Lydia.
Lyria. That's
Lydia is that
okay.
one.
Okay. So that's the greenhouse. So what do you grow in the greenhouse?
No, we have not grown anything right
Oh,
now.
nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because greenhouse requires active management.
Mm-hmm.
We just set it up. We not.
So this pond is for water harvesting.
It's to increase the humidity of the area
Okay.
and to cool it down also.
Mm-hmm.
And also, you can always, in an emergency, get water from here.
Right.
So water will come. So water management is something like this. Water will come here, will flow. To keep taking waterways.
Mm-hmm.
You go down this drain, but you're going to stop at a point where it will go down continuously,
Mm-hmm.
and we have a community drain.
Okay.
So it goes down into the community drain.
Hmm.
And all this thing, whatever we clear here, will come
Mm-hmm.
to this point. The water from there will come here.
Hmm. So you plan to build some more living space on this platform?
Yeah. I am not getting time to do the. Our kitchen will come, the boys.
Okay.
All food processing.
How much money you would have spent to build this entire house? All these 3 storage?
All these things.
Uh-huh.
This will be about this one. We would have spent about 15-20 lakhs.
15-20 lakhs. Okay. To build this entire structure.
It is in a ratio of if I had built with concrete,
Hmm.
it will be 4 times more expensive.
Right.
Mm.
And not necessarily as strong.
And not necessarily as strong, and it's for an earthquake zone like Nagaland. I can salvage all the materials here.
Actually, Nagaland is earthquake prone.
Yeah, it's earthquake zone 5.
Okay.
So whatever happens, earthquake, it's definitely not going to be as devastating as living in an RCC building.
Hmm.
And with bamboo structures, you can always salvage, even if and the building is not it's not just going to come crashing on you like a concrete building.
Right.
It might be twisted, and you can just prop it up and replace it.
Mm-hmm.
And these are more resilient structures. Yeah.
Wonderful. So currently there's nothing in the greenhouse.
There's nothing in a greenhouse. We just develop it. I just want to know. I want to see why this.
So you call your farming as square inch gardening.
Yeah.
Why is that?
So you have to use up every square inch of your space.
Okay.
So you farm in a more productive and give way to the forest.
Okay.
In farming in a big area and having very less output,
Right.
it's better you use all your knowledge and grow in a tighter space.
Mm-hmm.
So soon we'll get everything to shape. It takes time. So the first 2 years we were spending time on developing all the waterways when it rains.
Mm.
Now at least up to 70% of this land, when it rains, we know where the water is flowing. Even if it's a heavy rain, we have exact path to where the water is flowing. Then we could get the manure to move throughout our farm.
Mm-hmm.
So now it has become more and more fertile. When we came, this was barren, dry.
Oh, so you didn't have all this greenery?
No, everything was planted. Before they were doing paddy cultivation and they left it. So you know how the paddy cultivation plot looks like, na?
Absolutely. Oh, yeah. Okay. So this is a paddy cultivation site.
Yeah, all this plot, na?
Uh-huh.
So it was just remain of a paddy cultivation, and the whole thing has dried up, and they were not even like just some leaves here and there.
This fern, is that a vegetable? Okay,
This
usually,
This one.
no, not this, not this. This fern, no fern. This,
Yeah. That's not. It's just a wild fern. Yeah,
Ah.
it's vegetable, not this one. Another.
Okay.
variety.
Yeah, because I've seen in the market people selling ferns.
This
Where
is-
no, where
this
to?
is from Thailand.
Oh, this is. Oh, you got it from Thailand. You can eat it.
No, someone gifted it to me. Yeah.
Okay.
It's you can
Edible?
Yeah, edible.
Mhm.
They just put.
This really tastes nice. It's kind of minty and nice.
They put a little bit of this thing, a little bit of salt and
So it becomes a salad. Yeah.
fried.
Mm.
So
So
that is
this whole place
the,
will.
yeah. The people will move at that level.
Mm.
Only farmers will move at this. So this is the lower earth. That's the middle earth.
Ah, okay.
So two different group of people will use this space.
Mm-hmm.
Those working on the computer will be moving at the upper level.
All the white color stuff happens here.
Yeah, and the farmers works down. So once all this thing is ready, we'll allow the interns to come in again. Right now we are not taking in any interns because we are just in the process of developing it.
So this is a blue colored space, and this would be a space for all the white colored. This platform you're going to build houses, living areas. Beautiful. You're building it around the trees. You're not cutting down the trees to build a house.
We're using the trees to define the geometry.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, so our geometry is, I call this quantum architecture, where let's just assume that the building already existed in the future.
Oh, okay. Alright, quantum architecture. Nice.
Yeah. That you didn't see the structure.
Right.
When you are cutting down the trees,
Mm-hmm.
then you are creating something yourself.
Yes.
When you allow the tree to exist and the building to coexist with that, so the building is already there in the future and the tree was not disturbed, so it did not alter anything.
Right.
So as a rough sketch, we put the bamboos
Mm-hmm.
just to remind us that we have this much more to deal.
Right.
My office will be there,
Oh.
and that is turf. I'll put a turf grass
Mm.
so people can just sit and relax.
So how long will it take
Ah,
to finish this whole structure?
we should at least get the shell out within 2 months.
2 months this will be ready, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
The main structure is done.
And all these people, they work under your guidance because
Yeah.
you're the expert.
Yes, in that sense, I'm the technical expert.
Yeah.
I don't like dogs or pets keeping in cages or things like that.
Right.
But there is a law here
Mm-hmm.
which says that unless an animal is chained or pet kept in enclosure,
Mm-hmm.
they will shoot it.
Oh.
Because sometimes dogs can go and bite people. No?
Right.
So we are building that fence, all these stone walls, and build my residence will be there. So when we have the residence, all the dogs can move freely. Yeah, so it'd be within inside the compound. So,
Training center, Sitogi, right? Sitogi. Sitogi.
you just
Sitogi Learning
forget
School.
the E
Ah,
and the 2E, remove the 2E and then just
okay. Sitogi.
yeah,
Sitogi.
yeah. Remove the E.
Ah,
The E will confuse your pronunciation.
right. So, how would you say it?
Sitogi.
Sitogi. Okay, fine. Got it.
너 저 리다 예. 엄마. 뭐我这么多是留子。 हाँ ओ चे बालू लगे लेने गाड़ी ने बालू लगे अच्छे जी ले पकड़ो मिठू